Hello guys, this is a light switch tour of our hotel. So let's start. First, when you come through the door, you'll see this light switch. It goes to that light. It takes a second to turn on. And then we got our cabinet full of some ironing stuff and all that. And when you come into the bathroom, you'll see two light switches here. This one that's flickering goes to this light right here. A bulb is burnt out. And then when you flip this switch, turns on the shower light. It flickers. And then the toilet, and then the sink. There's me, and then the tub. We got a mirror. Wait, it's an infinite reflection. And then we got the microwave. And then we have the fridge here. Cabinet. Drawer. Coffee stuff. Just a bench to sit and put your shoes on. Trash cans. Dresser. Oh, whoa. I didn't realize they had trash bags in here. And then our stuff. And then a desk. Right here is a light. And I guess directory, another mirror, 4 mirrors so far, and then we have like a footlight switch. Am I doing something wrong? There we go. Yep. And then we got our AC and a fridge. It's a chair.
Beautiful view.
Yep. And then we have a bed here and another bed. And then right here by the phone and alarm, we have this light right here. Then basically it's just the same thing.
Did you take out the charger?
No. And then some plugins underneath. And then a notepad. And a vault. That doesn't work very well. And almost forgot.
Safe. Yes, set up safe.
And this. Then the TV. And thanks for watching and for the tour of our little hotel. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.
Is it not going to give us the chime to 7? I guess not. Parkour, bro. So how is the couch here?
It's bad.
It's bad. It's super comfy, but it's very slick. Ta-da. He's smoking a cigar. Whoa, buddy. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. All right, walking across the aerial bridge. What's up, buddy? Here, get over this side.
Behind you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. The bridge that lifts up and down to let the big docks, big boats, and the dock filling up or offloading things.
I had the greatest day of my life. The boys were shooting doubles under western starlight. I rowed a boat across the bay, Phoenix to Seattle to San Francisco. Hearing Debbie laugh under downtown bar glow. Louis telling me he feels free from yesterday. Drank a cup of coffee, couple hours south of the place I used to run around. And I was too young to really know the difference in love and longing for it, when to shut up and when to stay with it, how to forgive and just let go. This is the greatest day of my life. If I move or close my eyes, it'll be gone and so will I. So come on in and stay a while. These are just moments in a great big pile. She's there laughing on the porch swing of my mind. And I'm just grateful to be here at closing time.
This is the French River. Lake Superior, the French River.